So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can add a blurry effect to an icon or design element using Pixellab. I'm so happy because I finally cracked this code. So if you know that you really want to learn how to create a blurry effect using just your Pixellab, I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video because you are going to be gaining value. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. My YouTube channel, it's Vixen Tech. Please, if you know that you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you would always be notified whenever I upload a new content on my YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe, you might not see this channel. Guys, we'll be adding a blurry effect to this icon, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve that in Pixellab. I know that many of you might be saying, is it possible? It is possible. Just stay with me and I'm going to teach you how to achieve that in Pixellab. In less than 5 minutes, I'm going to be teaching you this. Go to 3D shape. Yes, this 3D shape. Click on it, enable it. Guys, you can see that the view type is perspective. We are going to change it to oblique. So click on oblique. Well, you can see that it has distorted the image, but don't worry, we are going to fix that now. Go to the depth, reduce the depth to 5. Then click on the good icon. That's not all. Go to opacity. Now reduce the opacity to any degree of your choice. Did you notice that the more we reduce the opacity, the blurrier it became? Now, the level of blurriness is dependent on the amount of the opacity. So it is up to you to determine how blurry you want the icon to be. If you are satisfied with this amount of blurriness, you can leave it at 14. Then click on your good icon. That's not all. You can see that the icon looks dark. So go to color filters. Go to saturation. Yes, increase it. Then go to the brightness. Wow, this is amazing. Then go to the contrast. So guys, you can see that we've added a blurry effect on this icon using just our Pixellab. Unlike before, if you want to add a blurry effect, you would have to take it to photo room or Snapseed, and sometimes it is tiring, very tiring. Each time you want to add a blurry effect, you will take it to another application. You can achieve that in Pixellab. So guys, let's try adding the blurry effect on 2 more icons. So let's add the effect on this. As usual, go to your 3D shape, enable it, then change it to oblique. Reduce the depth to 5. Beautiful. Then go to opacity, then reduce the opacity. The more you reduce the opacity, the blurrier it becomes. So it depends on the amount of blurriness you want. So let's go to color filters, increase the saturation, increase the brightness, then increase the contrast. Beautiful. Guys, hope you can see what we've done. Let's do the last one so that you can believe what I've been telling you all the while. So go ahead, enable it, change it to oblique, reduce it to 5. You see, there's so much you can do in Pixellab. I'm telling you the truth, there is a lot of things you can do using Pixellab. The reason why you've limited Pixellab is because you don't know much about the application. You've not taken your time to understand the functionality of Pixellab. So reduce this to 12. This is better. Then go to color filters, increase the saturation, increase the brightness, then increase the contrast. This is beautiful. You are good. Knowing this will save you the stress of taking this icon or any icon to Snapseed or photo room so that you can add a blurry effect to it. No, in Pixellab you can achieve this. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, subscribe and share this video so that other graphic designers can as well learn how to achieve this using just their smartphone in Pixellab. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.